Welcome guys, in this video I will write the Python program for the fourth exercise of chapter 4. This program will ask the user to enter the speed of vehicles in miles per hour and the time that the vehicle has been traveled, and the program will calculate and display the distance the vehicle has traveled for each hour of that time period. Let's write the program. Create a variable speed and set this equal float. Input, enter the speed of vehicle in miles per hour. Create a variable time and set this equal int input, enter the time vehicle has traveled, print r \t \t is used to print a tab. Distance traveled. Now create a for loop for x in range one, time plus 1. Set the distance equal speed multiplied by x. X is the value of time at the each iteration of for loop. Print x \t format distance separate empty string. Run the program. Enter the speed of vehicle in mile per hour. Enter the speed of vehicle in miles per hour. Enter 50. Enter the time vehicle has traveled. Enter 10 hours. Run the program. Enter the speed of vehicle in miles per hour. Enter 60. Enter the time vehicle has traveled. Enter 10 hours.